Hello friends, in this video I'll tell you how to create a JPG file from Word. Please like and subscribe and let's get started. To create a JPG file in Word, we do the following. Select the necessary part of the document and copy it. Then select the place to paste, right-click and paste the copied text as a picture. This is the third paste option. The text is inserted as a picture and now we can leave everything as it is or save this picture as a separate file. Right-click on the image and select Save as Picture. By default, the image is saved in PNG format, but we can change the format in the Save as Type field. Select the JPG format, then select the folder where to save the image and click Save. That's how we got a JPG image from the text. And if you, like me, work in Windows 11, then creating a picture from text will become even easier. Press the print screen button on the keyboard and a menu appears at the top of the screen where we can choose to take a screenshot of any program's window, take a screenshot of the entire screen, or take a screenshot of a specific area of the screen. We leave the first option, select the text with the left mouse button in the Word document or any part of the screen, and when you release the button, the screenshot will be taken, and a screenshot window will appear on the taskbar. Select it, then Save As, and save it in JPG format. And that's it. Now in Ultima.